Hi everyone, and I think we've come to the part of the week now, Friday afternoon, where we need a little bit of a relaxing activity and winding down for the weekend ahead because you've worked so hard this week in your home learning. And the final part of what we're going to be doing this week is science, but not looking at materials and what they're made of and their properties. We're looking at another element of science that we'll be studying for the whole year, and that's something called seasonal changes. Now, I don't know if you know, but there are 4 seasons in every year. Can you have a think what they are? Well, let me see if you agree with me. There are 4 seasons. The first season is spring, then summer, then autumn, and then winter. And those seasons keep repeating themselves every single year. Now, we're currently in the season of summer. When I was a little girl and when it was September, as soon as I went back to school, I felt like that summer was over, and I would begin to notice changes in the trees and the weather and the environment around me. But at the moment, we're still lucky enough to still be in summer. The next season after summer, and we'll find out in a few weeks because there will be changes, is autumn. But what I'd like you to do, as we're not allowed to go out and look around and all of that, if you're lucky enough to have a garden, I'd like you to go into the garden and have a look to see what are the signs of summer that you can still see. Now, you can present that information however you like. You can write it in a list, you can draw a picture, you can paint something for me. I'm going to leave it up to you. But I'd like you to tell me and notice and observe, because that's the scientific skill that we're using today, observations, which means looking with your eyes and noticing things. So, what can you observe? What are the signs of summer? And when we're back at school, and then afterwards, in a couple of weeks' time, we'll start observing and looking for the signs of autumn. And after that, we'll be looking at winter, and then spring. Okay? So, see you later. Have a good weekend, and I look forward to looking at your seasonal changes work on the signs of summer.